Barcelona fan. The Spanish Super Cup semi-final is here, and once again it's El Clasico. Real Madrid booked their place by beating Atletico Madrid by 2-1 in the semi-final. Mbappe was injured, but he is back, ready for the final. The last time they faced each other, Barcelona lost. That night, Lamine Yamal was brutally trolled by Madrid fans, but football always gives one more chance, and this time it could be Lamine's moment. There is more pressure on the field. Hansi Flick has never lost a final, and it's absolute cinema. This will be his eighth final, and he all want to keep his winning streak alive. The first trophy of 2026, Barcelona versus Real Madrid. One final, one trophy. History is waiting. My prediction: Barcelona will win 3-2. And comment your prediction.